Hi everyone, this is Untitled. You are watching my YouTube channel Tech and Life. In this video, I am going to explain about a great thing that is regarding how to consider a domain and a problem statement for your graduation or post-graduation major projects. In this scenario, we need to consider a domain which is relevant to our department first thing. And other thing, we need to understand the domain in and out. These two things we need to keep in mind while choosing our project title and concept. But how to choose? What to do next after choosing? How to implement? We don't know. So in this video, I am going to explain those three problems in 3 steps. First step, how to choose a domain and problem statement. First of all, what is a domain? A domain is the platform on which there will be lot more problems affecting the world, which are suffering from long back and which have no solution, proper implementations like that. For example, I am choosing for this video an example domain as medical. In medical domain, we have a lot more problems which are very challenging, like Alzheimer's, Parkinson, heart disease prediction, and some sort of dementia, other dementia problems other than Alzheimer's and Parkinson, and neuro disorders. So many are there. But what's the problem statement you want to focus? You can't focus entire medical domain for your project. It takes your lifetime to complete your major project then. So you have to fix one concept, one problem statement. That's the thing I'm doing now. So I'm fixing my problem statement to heart disease prediction system, which is a machine learning project. So what the technicalities we can discuss later in step 3. But in between, we have step 2. What's the step 2? After fixing your problem statement, after designing your methodology, and after designing your steps of flow to implement the project, you will show those to your guide and you will take some feedback from your guide, right? So after that, in step 2, you will consider one base paper which speaks about that problem statement which you are currently doing. Why to consider a base paper? We need to consider any base paper to get the domain knowledge and problem statement information. So currently, so many researchers are working on your specific domain which you are currently working now. So you have to get knowledge on that cases also. In those cases, we need to consider what the existing system they are mentioning and what the proposed system they designed. So according to the abstracts and introduction part, after going through all those content, and you have to choose one base paper which will be very helpful for you. After choosing base paper, you have to analyze the proposed system, existing system, and disadvantages, advantages. The disadvantages of proposed system of that base paper will be your future scope of this implementation. Current your project existing system will be the disadvantage of your base paper's proposed system. So you are going to extend that one by keeping the current scenario. So after completing this step 2, you will go to step 3. What's the step 3? You need to consider what are the technologies you have to use to code. As we are discussing about machine learning part, prediction part, we need to use Python. It's very best thing for prediction models. So we need to write code on Python. And what are the platforms we should use? We can use Anaconda distribution because it contains 2 platforms. IPython console like Jupyter Notebook and Spider. Other thing is Google Collaborator. I will make special videos on those kind of things because if start discussing about those things, it will be very long discussion. It will be very long conversation. So skipping that part, you need to code. After start coding, you need to show to your guide regular feedback you have to take, and you have to update your code and everything you have to do. The best practice of coding is mentioning the comment section below or above the code block. So what's the thing you have done in that code block? You have to explain in the comment section about that code or below that code. It will be very useful for you to recognize and identify what the things are left to code. So these are the three steps which will be very useful for you. So please do follow these three steps. Identify the domain and project problem statements, which will be very useful for you, which will be very easy for you to accomplish the task, and start identifying one of the base papers, and you need to check IEEE Explore for this. It's the best platform for identifying base papers. And next one is technicalities, coding. So if you follow these three steps, it will be very useful for you to get a great project as your major project in bachelor's and master's. And thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel Tech and Life, and like the video, share the video. Please press the bell icon and support me. Comment your suggestions in the comment box. I will definitely read those, and there are any suggested video concepts I will do on those too. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.